What's up, guys? Jamie G back here again. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, basically all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, love to have you guys join me this year. Feel free to hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Now, welcome to 2019. I hope it's gone super well for you guys so far. I know I've had an amazing start. And look, as cliche as it sounds, I spent some time going through some goals and what I want to achieve this year. And some of them are pretty ambitious, I must admit. Having said that, I have stepped them all out into things I need to achieve and how I'm going to go about doing it. And one of those goals is just to provide as much content as I possibly can to help you guys out with your online journey. Hopefully this video adds to that as well. So anyway, without further ado, what I'm going to go through today is 4 stupid simple websites you can jump onto to earn some extra cash. Now, these aren't going to make you millionaires overnight. In fact, probably won't make you millionaires at all, to be perfectly honest. But having said that, they do offer some extreme value, and you can earn some extra money purely by doing things that you would have done anyway. So first and foremost, I got Swagbucks. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this, essentially what it is, it's a site where you can get paid to search. So something you do naturally anyway. You jump online, you search for something in Google. It's the exact same thing. It actually brings up Google results, but it'll pay you to do that. It pays you Swagbucks. Now, it also pays you for things like surveys. It gives you rebates for your online shopping. It'll also pay you 10% for referring a friend. It also has, what else is there? Offer games as well. So if you're playing a bit of a gamer, whether it's your apps or online or anything like that, you can actually get paid to play the games, get paid to download those games, all that sort of stuff. So pretty cool, huh? Now, it does give you Swagbucks, and Swagbucks are then convertible into things like Amazon gift vouchers or PayPal cash. Obviously, that's my preference, but each to their own, right? So that's one place. I'm going to leave a link below. Feel free to sign up. And here's what the really cool part is. So as you can see, I only signed up maybe 25 minutes ago, something like that. And I'm not sure if it's going to work, but okay, it doesn't really like me when I'm recording the screen. Unfortunately, I can't actually click on that, but actually maybe it will. I don't know. No, not going to work. So basically, the whole idea with that is basically as I search, it'll say, congratulations, you have 20 Swagbucks. So you can't really take the mickey. You can't just sit there searching all day, but you can make Swagbucks your default browser on Chrome and doing, or Firefox or Internet Explorer for that matter. And in doing so, all the searches will be going through Swagbucks, and as such, you will get Swagbucks accumulate nice and easy. Now, the next one I wanted to check out or show you guys is it's nothing new. I've been basically showing this many times before because I absolutely love it. This is Ebates. Now, Ebates is a cashback site. So what that means is if you buy anything online, and we're talking, as you can see on the right-hand side there, GoDaddy, HostGator, Udemy, AliExpress, eBay, Macy's. You can also shop at Amazon. Basically, anywhere you shop online naturally anyway, chances are that it operates through Ebates, and Ebates will give you a refund or a cashback for shopping at these sites. So whilst you're not necessarily making money in this occasion, you are getting money back in your account. So obviously, I don't really do that much online shopping, and I've actually been paid out since the last time. So I've only got like $8 here. But having said that, it does build up, and it is a discount, and it does get applied to things that are already on sale. So something's got 20% off, you'll also get your Ebates cashback on top of that as well. Now, the cool thing that I love about Ebates, and hopefully you guys can see the value in doing this as well, as you can see up the upper right-hand corner there, refer a friend earned $25. Now, unlike some of these other networks, the $25 is just cash. It's going to go into your account, and they pay out via PayPal once you've hit the threshold. So the threshold is basically when you refer someone, they sign up for an account, they then shop online and spend a minimum of $25, you will get $25 cash. So pretty damn easy, right? So that's it. And like I say, it covers absolutely everything. So feel free to jump on. Again, I'm going to leave a link below. Feel free to jump on that. Now, the other one, and I think you'll really like this one, is Sweatcoin. Now, this is brand new to me. I only just found out about this today, and I think it's a really cool idea. Again, it's not something that you're going to make billions of dollars out of, but it's something that you do naturally anyway. Hopefully, everyone watching this can walk or at least I guess, go somewhere. I think it applies to other mechanisms of transportation as well, wheelchairs, for example. But having said that, what it does is actually pay you for the steps you do throughout the day. And you might be thinking, that sounds absolutely crazy. Who's going to pay me to step? Well, basically, and I'm assuming here, I don't actually know factually, but basically, I'm assuming that they will be using you to advertise to. So obviously, they get revenue from companies to advertise to yourself. You probably end up with a couple of ads on your app. But all the meantime, you're actually getting benefit from that by walking. So keeps you fit, you get money. Who doesn't love that, right? So again, I'm going to leave a link below. It is available on both Android and iTunes. Jump on it. You do it naturally. It's awesome. So anyway, jump on that. Nice and easy, right? I told you it's going to be easy. Now, the last one I wanted to Alrighty, sorry guys, just having a couple of technical issues back there. So last but not least, the one I wanted to show you guys is DTube. Now, DTube is a video sharing website unlike any other in the sense that unlike, say, YouTube or maybe Vimeo or any of those ones, well, I know for YouTube for a fact that you won't actually start being able to have AdSense and kind of passive income on your channel until you get X number of views. Now, that's all well and good, but a lot of us don't have that many views, let's be honest, and we're starting out, so it gets a little bit tricky. What I love about DTube is that as soon as you upload a video to DTube, because it is basically a crowd sharing site, someone might watch your video, they might decide that that's a great video, great content, it fits the community well, and they give it a like. And in doing so, they can upvote that and give it some what they call steam, which is a cryptocurrency. And sounds kind of airy-fairy at this stage, but if you just have a look at the screen there, as you can see, I mean, these ones, so 18 hours, I mean, again, you're not going to make huge, massive amounts of cash out of it, but you can make some good money on the side. This one, 18 hours ago, they've just uploaded a video. They've already earned $16 and 17 odd cents. Oh, and admittedly, it's Steam, so it's a little bit different. And because Steam is also traded like other cryptocurrencies, it does fluctuate. So sometimes it's worth a lot more. Other days it's less, et cetera, et cetera. But there are some big ones that come up. So here we go, like $75. Again, that's what, 2 days. So what's that? $36 a day. So, $37.50 per day. Sorry, not bad. $70. 2 days ago, 9 hours ago, $35, 33. Some of these are kind of small, but then you get other ones that pop up, which are obviously a lot bigger, and they might be $300, $400, $500, $600, $700. Now, obviously, that's off one video. So I guess the whole point being is that if you keep producing content and you're happy to be in front of camera, or even if you're not, maybe you can find something else worth filming, people will like it. Now, the other thing that I absolutely love about DTube, and also, like I say, it's connected to Steam, which is the actual currency it's based on, is that you can also get paid for your comments. Crazy, right? So if you, and I'm not talking about, hey, man, great video, I like that. I'm talking about adding value to the community. So if you see a video come up and you think, great, yeah, I can relate to that. Here's something that has really helped me in my endeavors, blah, blah, blah. You should try that. If people like that, they can upvote it, similar to Reddit. And in doing so, again, you will earn Steam. So like I say, you're probably not going to make huge amounts of money, but there are people on there that are making a minimum of $100 a day. Sometimes it's actually their full-time income, which I think is amazing because it hasn't been around that long, and I suspect it's probably just going to grow. So once again, that's DTube. Like I say, I'm going to leave a link below to all four of these. Please feel free to click through, have a look. They should be pretty damn easy if I'm being honest. So we've got walking, we've got searching the internet, posting videos, and your online shopping. So hopefully that covers a few bases for you guys. If you can't make anything, and I'm not, like I say, I'm not saying you're going to make billions out of this, but hopefully you'll be able to make a couple of bucks. If you can make a couple of bucks out of it, awesome, I've done my job. Anyway, once again, my name is Jamie G. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me. Welcome to 2019. It's going to be an amazing year, and thanks very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.